I am Amy Stubblefield with the Sapphire Group of Keller Williams, and I have been referring Williamson Foundation Repair for about 3 years. The first time I had actually met them, I had their name and several other foundation companies' names, and I called them and another company out to a house that one of my buyers wanted to buy. It had some obvious signs that we would think were foundation repair. Several foundation repair companies come out, and Williamson was actually the first one, and they said, there's no foundation issue. I asked, but why is this happening? Why is this happening? They said, well, that's just off tracks. Well, that's because of this, that's because of this. But all the measurements showed the foundation had no issues whatsoever. And then I was there when the next foundation company came, and the second he walked up, he said, ooh, this house is definitely gonna need some foundation repair. And yeah, they gave us a big old quote for it and did not give us the foundation readings, which is what you actually need. And so from there, I pretty much knew who was there for just the sale and who was there for the client. So I have been referring Williamson out there ever since then, because I feel like they always have my clients' best interest at mind, not their own. It's not about money, it's not about greed. And that's how I want to treat my clients, is for the future, for the relationships, not just for a quick transaction. So I've been referring Williamson ever since then because I trust them.